Welcome to the JandJAutoWrecking test video of SEJE401, a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8. Brilliant black PXR with a sepia interior, 6.4 HEMI under the hood, running great. This is going to be one of our famous SRT lift outs. We're going to get you motor, transmission. Well, sorry, no transmission on this one. Belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. Everything you'll need to upgrade your 5.7 car, swap a hot rod, you never know. This thing has the ultra rare sepia interior too. I've only seen a handful of these in all my years parting these things out. We've basically been taking these things apart since they were new. I think we've only had 2 of them before. Nice condition for 112K on it. Gonna have to figure out what's up with that. Looks like it blew the headrest, but no big deal. Very, very nice shape. Minor wear here, I mean, it's to be expected. Inside though, beautiful, beautiful vehicle. What do I got here for controls? Let me get my heated seat going and my heated wheel. 112,000 miles. Look at that power steering column. They really know how to make a car, I'm not gonna lie. The SRTs are flippin' nice. Some of the base ones, not so great, but hey. Power windows all work. Oh look, somebody threw up on the headliner. That's awesome. Nice big old sunroof. What are you doing there, guy? Well, we're having some issues. Let's put the camera down and see if I can assist it. Okay then. So we've got some issues going on there with the sunroof, so we're gonna part that down. This is why we test things, guys. You just don't know what's gonna happen. Driver's side power mirror. Sorry, passenger side. I want you to check out the window. Running great. Not gonna lie, she's got a set of Flowmaster 10s on them. I've heard better. Just not a real fan of the Flowmaster. We got track mode. Does that give us anything? More aggressive exhaust. I'm feeling dangerous. Let's put her in gear. Oh, the parking brake's on. All right. Well, reverse. Hey, she's moving. And drive. She's moving again. Man, these shifters are weird. Click to park gets me every time. I'm an old school guy. As you guys can see, nice flat bottom steering wheel. What you can't feel is the heat. That is working great. Alcantara headliner, just a bunch of cool stuff. Power liftgate. You can be the coolest dad in the drop-off line. Get out, Timmy. Throw your bag in the back. Let's get out of here. Why won't you close? Oh, I'm an idiot. Hold, please. Come on. All right. Let's finish our walk around and wrap this one up. Looks like 3 of the SRT wheels made it. Nice rear bumper, nice tailgates. Terrible exhaust, but hey, to each his own. Opinions are like buttholes. Everybody's got one. Really a very fixable unit. Just, I'm sure with the mileage and the age, insurance said not today. Well, guys, I've run out of things to say. That is going to conclude the JandJAutoWrecking test video of our 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8. You guys know the gig. If you're new here, well, listen to it anyways. Head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. We have an eBay store too, but they really get us on the fees. So help us out and browse our website. We could really, not really use it, we just appreciate it. Anything we save helps us give you guys better prices. Other than that, folks, I'm out of things to say. Remember, Bitcoin saves your wealth, Jesus saves your soul, seatbelts save lives, and, well, Hellcats save marriages, because you're always happy. Anyways, that's it. I'm John at JandJAutoWrecking. Thanks for watching.